Hi, Pinky friends! We're going to draw super cool Lisa Simpson. Lisa is smart, kind, and loves playing the saxophone. Let's get started. Lisa is 8 years old and one of the smartest kids in Springfield. What instrument does Lisa love to play? Yes, the saxophone. She plays the saxophone and loves jazz music. Her best friend is her baby sister, Maggie. Do you have any siblings? Lisa is very kind to animals. She's a vegetarian and cares a lot about animals and the environment. Can you think of a favorite animal of yours? Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Lisa is also very talented at school and gets straight A's on her report cards. What do you think Lisa's favorite school subject is? It's science. So nice! Look at our amazing Lisa Simpson drawing. Now, it's time to make her colorful. Take out your markers or crayons and let's get coloring. Lisa's hair is shaped like spiky stars, just like the sun. What color is Lisa's hair? That's right, yellow. Lisa loves reading books and always does her homework. Do you like to read? Oh, nice! What is the title of your favorite book? Lisa loves to wear red, which matches her famous red dress and shoes. President of the United States in a future episode. She's great at solving problems and often helps her family make the right decision. Cares a lot about the environment. Do you like nature too? Drawing with me today. Till next time, Pinky friends.